Included in the set are two sidewalls, four shelves, and a bag of screws. Take one of the sidewall pieces and locate the pre-drilled holes. Then, take one of the screws and using either a screwdriver or a power drill, screw them in, making sure not to over-tighten. The thickest part of the screw should barely touch the wood. Once finished, the sidewall piece should have 8 screws. Go ahead and do the same with the other sidewall piece. Okay, so here you're going to lay down your sidewall piece that has the grooves in it, and then take your second one that has the tongue and just put the tongue into the groove, and then smack it down. It should be able to stand up on its own. So then take your largest shelf, that's going to go on the bottom. And again, that shelf has tongues on it. You just maneuver it into those grooves. And then you'll do the same with the second largest shelf. You may have to lift up one end of the sidewall to help fit it in there, as you'll see. Once you get all the shelves in, take your screwdriver and go into these cams at an angle. And you'll want to start at the bottom first and work your way up. And just screw that in. And that's going to lock the shelves in place. You see here, there's a bit of a gap where these two sidewalls meet up, but once you screw in these cams, it's going to close that gap up. And once you get all those cams screwed in, you're good to pick it up, and you are done.